In this video, we will showcase the range of motion of the Dell Pro Heavy-Duty Single Monitor Arm HDA26. The Intelligent Swivel Switch allows for rotation adjustments ranging from 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Simply toggle the switch to set to your optimal position. The arm also features a wide 300mm adjustable lift. Tilt adjustments with a range of plus 30 degrees to -5 degrees, and 90 degrees pivot rotation to discover your ideal viewing angle. Explore a free range of rotation when you toggle the switch to 360 degrees. Use caution when rotating the monitor beyond the table edge to prevent tipping over. All of this flexibility allows you to experience a more comfortable workspace.